New York.
New York. President, National Council of Social Security Management Associations, Newburgh, New York.
Chairman Pomeroy, Ranking Member Johnson, members of the subcommittee. My name is Joe Dirago, and I am the president of the National Council of Social Security Management Associations. I've been the manager of the Newburgh, New York field office for 8 years, and I've worked for Social Security for 30 years, with 26 years in management. I'm pleased to have the opportunity to be here today. Our association includes 3,400 Social Security managers and supervisors. For 40 years, our top priority has been a strong and stable Social Security administration that delivers quality, community-based service to the people we serve, your constituents. A January 2009 GAO report identified challenges that SSA field offices are facing. Despite agency strategic planning, the expansion of our SSA online services, significant productivity gains, and the best efforts of management and employees, the challenges identified in this report still remain. The core reason is that field office staffing is not sufficient to address our rising workloads. The Commissioner's recent decision to add 900 hires for operations components will help some of our most stressed offices, but more is needed. As a result of the economic downturn and the aging of 80 million baby boomers, disability claims receipts and retirement claims receipts are soaring, and we're seeing more visitors, over 45 million visitors in 2009. Field offices received 58 million telephone calls last year, up 4 million. We're also processing a high volume of post-eligibility workloads for 56 million beneficiaries and recipients, including 2.4 million redeterminations. While online services are helping us, Internet claims are still a field office workload, and we must review and process them. Also, many of the high-volume type workloads, like replacement Social Security cards, are not yet available on the Internet. And unfortunately, our telephone service remains poor. Field office telephones currently have a 58% busy rate as compared to the 800 number, which has a busy rate of about 8%. In February, our association completed our 7th management survey. 72% of the managers polled indicated that they frequently have to reassign staff from answering the phones to assist with reducing waiting times. 89% stated that more staff was needed to improve telephone service. Concerns also exist about quality. The primary focus is processing our work, oftentimes at the expense of accuracy. In our survey, 83% of the managers said insufficient quality reviews are being done, and 98% reported that they did not have adequate time to conduct additional reviews. We greatly appreciate the increased funding that SSA has received over the last 3 years, including the Recovery Act funds. Without this, the situation would be much worse. We are very supportive of the President's fiscal year 2011 budget request for Social Security, and we sincerely hope that this subcommittee will support at least the full funding of that request. But our association believes that an additional investment in field office resources is needed. The $13.1 billion LAE funding in the Commissioner's proposed fiscal year 11 budget would have eliminated most of the backlogs, improved telephone service, addressed program integrity concerns, and yielded significant improvements to the service to the American public. We also believe that Social Security needs to do a comprehensive service delivery plan that addresses all parts of the agency's service, including field offices. We support a review of the SSI program to determine if administrative costs can be reduced. To provide relief to field offices, SSA should also continue to improve the user-friendly online services. Our field offices are the service delivery engine of the Social Security Administration, and our staffs are highly committed to serving the American public, but we must have the necessary resources to do so. I greatly appreciate the opportunity to appear before this subcommittee and its ongoing support. Thank you, and any questions you have, I'd be happy to answer.
Thank you.